Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the easiest way to verify your Turo car sharing account and get you on the road quickly. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the easiest way to verify your Turo car sharing account and get you on the road quickly. Verifying your Turo account is a crucial step to unlock all the benefits of this popular car sharing platform. And in this guide, I'll walk you through every step in detail so you can breeze through the process without any hassle. First, you need to make sure you have all the necessary documents ready. This includes a valid government-issued driver's license that must be current and not expired. Next, you'll need to prepare a clear photo of yourself, which Turo calls a selfie. This is used to verify your identity against your license. Once your documents are ready, head over to the Turo app or website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, yet you'll need to create one by entering basic personal information like your name, address, and contact details. After logging in, navigate to the verification section, which is usually found in your profile or account settings. Here you will be prompted to upload your driver's license photos and take the selfie. Make sure the images are clear and well lit, because blurry or dark photos will delay your verification. Next, you will be asked to provide some additional information, such as your social security number if you're in the United States. This is used for background checks. Rest assured, Turo prioritizes your privacy and handles all data securely. The verification process also includes a background check to ensure the safety of the community. This step takes a short time, so be patient. After submitting everything, simply wait for the confirmation email or notification within a few hours to a couple of days. In some cases, if your account is approved, you'll be ready to start listing cars or booking a ride with verified trust. Once verified, remember to keep your documents up to date and log in regularly to maintain your status. Following these steps carefully will get you verified quickly and let you enjoy all the features Turo has to offer without delay. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more useful insights and tips.